Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my lids. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with translucent powder, and then I'm going into this cool toned purple shade and I'm just applying this to the very inner and outer corner. And for today's palette I'm using the Too Faced Christmas Cookie palette, and I'm pretty sure that this palette is limited edition. I didn't know that before using it. I like to avoid using limited edition products for tutorials just so that you guys can check it out and use the same palette, but I'm pretty sure you guys can grab anything in your collection to replicate this. I'll try to stay away from using any limited edition products from now on, but I just grabbed the gold shimmer shade and this flat brush, and I'm just applying this all over the center of my lid, and I'm focusing the majority of that pigment right in the center. Next, I'm going into this really small tapered brush and this dark burgundy brown shade, and I'm just applying this to my inner and outer corners once again. And we're going to be redoing this step twice just to get a really blended but pigmented look, so I'll be showing you guys how I do that in the next few steps. Then I'm going back into my big fluffy brush with our first transition color and just going in left and right motions over that inner and outer corner to blend that shade into that lid shade. Next, I'm going into glitter. I'm using my Hocus Pocus glitter by Eye Candy Cosmetics, and I'm just pressing this all over the center of my lid. And I did go in with glitter glue. I used the NYX glitter primer. And then I'm going back into this small tapered brush with that dark burgundy brown shade, just redefining those inner and outer corners and then reblending it. And I promise doing those little steps is really going to make the biggest difference when it comes to the blending and the overall look of your makeup. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. If you guys want to check out our lash company, link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into my Urban Decay Double Life Liner and just applying that into my waterline. And then going into our first transition color and just buffing that onto my lower lash line. And then for mascara today, I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, which is my favorite mascara at the moment. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going into my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight. And this is pretty much the finished look. If you guys watched this video to the very end, thank you so much for your continuous support. And I will be showing the giveaway winner of last month in the next couple clips. So thank you so much to everybody that continues to enter our monthly giveaways. Just watch all of our videos. You can find out if you won or not. If you guys want to be entered for future monthly videos, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only for the time being. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!